Okay, on this particular topic, we're going to be talking about triangle congruence in terms of rigid motion. Now, rigid motion means that the triangle is not going to change shape or size. It's just going to change orientation or how it's looking. So, one thing you can do is you can look at the angles of the triangle and try to match them up. So, angle Z here is going to match with angle I. Angle Y is going to be with G, and angle H will be with X. So when we choose the congruent statement, if we have GH, we're going from G to H, we're doing this. G to H is going to be YX. So we have to do in the right order. From H to I, so we're going this direction, it's going to be XZ. And from G to I, we're going that direction, it's going to be YZ. And then you're going to choose the congruent statements for the angles. So with angle G, it's going to be angle Y. You're going to type in there. So you'll have angle Y. H is going to go with X, and then I will go with Z. Okay, so we'll scroll down a little bit, see what else they ask. Are all three pairs of corresponding sides and all three pairs of corresponding angles congruent? They will be if when you translate the figure, it matches right up. So yes, they're going to be congruent. So we would type the yes. And they actually show this through the translations. They're going to be rotated, and this is going to be translated. This will be rotated, and then it's going to be reflected in order to get it to match up. So I like how they kind of show with the colored sides. This is a really good way to explain it. And then they colored their angles of what they match up with, which is what we did just by writing on the figure. Okay, so let's do an example and see. So we're supposed to move this over so that it's right on top of this. So I'm just gonna, oh wait, I think I have to use my sliding one. I'm gonna pick it up and move it maybe to here. I think that might work. And then I'm gonna rotate it. Okay, and then I might even do a flip. Okay, good, we'll rotate it some more. Oh, almost there. And then we're going to translate it so it's right on top of each other. Boom, boom. Okay, there we go. All right, so again, I recommend kind of looking at the angles and seeing which ones look like they match up. So W here is going to be with C. So I'm going to put W here. E is going to be with X, and D will be with Y. So you can kind of look how Y is kind of long and skinny here, and so is D. So that kind of helps you with which one goes with which. All that drawing is going to mess me up. So let's just erase it real quick. Okay, so let's see. It says W is going to go with, oh, here we go. W is with C. So we'll look for angle C. X is with E. And D then is with, Y is with D. Okay, WX. So I'm going in this direction from W to X. So I have to do C to E. X to Y is going from E to D. Wait, which one was it? X to Y is E to D. Uh-oh. Notice this, they don't have it in the right order. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. Okay, then we need to do WY. It should be CD. So the order does matter. Evidently, they don't realize that, and they're not having it matter. So, okay, because the triangles matched up and all the sides and angles matched up, they are congruent. Okay, let's try the next one. So we're going to try to get this to match up. I do believe it will. We may just move. Wait, whoa. This is the one we move. Okay. Then we're going to do a little rotating. Perfect. So we only had to do translate and then rotate. We didn't really have to do that much. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Okay. Then I'm going to write here. So we had G was with Y, I was with Z, and H is with X. Okay, so we're going to choose one. GH is YX. Oh my goodness. Okay, HI is XZ. I'm going to get you practice. I want you to know how to do it in order, okay? GI is YZ. Angle G is with Y. Angle H is with X. And angle I is with Z. Yes, the triangles are congruent. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.